thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my paper box for March. I have both subscriptions here, so I have the My Paper Box Mini and the My Paper Box Grand Box. So let me just tell you a teeny bit about it first. So the Mini is $10 per month. You can also get either of these subscriptions bi-monthly, which I think is great. I'm going to link them down below along with any potential promo codes I have. And then the Grand Box is $28 a month. And look, it's even personalized on the outside. How freaking cute is this? Oh, and look, there's all these like cacti there. The box is so pretty. So yeah, I'm going to link all the information down below. I'm also going to link down below an active giveaway I have going on that ends at the end of the month. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check that out after this video. So how about today we start with the Mini subscription. So again, this is $10, and in the My Paper Box Mini, you get 3 personalized stationery notepads. So I didn't really explain this at all, did I? If you're unfamiliar with My Paper Box, it is a personalized stationery subscription. So when you sign up, you let them know your name or the name of who you're gifting it to, and you will get a bunch of cute stationery that is personalized with your name or the recipient's name. So here are the items inside. It says, "Welcome to March. This month's theme is inspired by March 2nd, Old Stuff Day. Take time to appreciate the beauty of all things old and vintage. Did you know not all old things are created equal? Those who study history divide historical items into 2 groups based on their age. Antiques are items that are at least 100 years old, while vintage items usually have to be at least 30 years old or more." Does that mean I'm vintage? Ooh. So usually I get the Mini subscription like the second or the end of the first week of the month, and I usually get the Grand Box before the month even starts, just so you guys know. Opening it a little late this month. So let's look at our 3 notepads. Here is the first one. So you can see it's personalized. It says Kitty. So it's blank with a pretty antique design, so you can use this as you wish. The next one says, "I wish there was a way to know you're in the good old days before you've actually left them." And Kitty's in the bottom, and this has some lines on it. Ooh, the last one looks cool. It says, "Kitty's Daily Post. News, planning, weather, shopping, gossip." So there's a little shopping section, top news, perfect timing, call log, don't forget. This is super cute. And all of these have a decent amount of paper in them, or pages I should say. So that is everything in the Mini. Now let's get the Grand Box opened. This is what it looks like when I open it. It says, "A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It just blooms." And then there's a sticker that says, "Yay, I've been waiting for you." How cute. And then right on top, this is a piece of paper. It says, "Welcome to March." And for the Grand Box, it states, "This month's theme is all things green. With St. Patrick's Day on the 17th, the items this month will make sure you glow green. We hope you enjoy this month as much as we did creating it." And that gives you some tips to get the most out of the month. And it says their favorite day this month is March 19th, Let's Laugh Day. "We believe every day is better with laughter and people that make you smile." I agree. And then it'll tell you all of the holidays during the month. And again, you get this box before the month even starts. So that is very convenient. And then it tells you like ways to celebrate each holiday. So the day I'm opening this is March 18th, and I guess it's Awkward Moments Day. So let's see what they say about that. So, "It may not be a coincidence that it falls the day after St. Patrick's Day, a day often associated in many parts of the world with alcohol and partying. While the purpose or origins of this unofficial holiday are unknown, it could be that the day was created to take stock of all the awkward moments after a few or many pints of Guinness drunk in celebration on the Irish cultural holiday." Normally I am big into celebrating St. Patrick's Day. All of the bars officially closed in Florida for at least 30 days as of yesterday, so that's a bummer, but we won't dwell on that. These videos are to help take our mind off the world's problems. So that is awesome they give all this information there. Next up, we have a personalized card. So it says, "I believe in you." I love the colors of this. And on the back it says, "Card by Kitty." Oh, there's 2 cards here. It says, "Keep going, you got this, Kitty." How cute. And it comes with the outer envelope. And then here's one for St. Patrick's Day. Too bad I opened this a little too late, but pretty much my entire family is very Irish, so I could always use this. It says, a good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have, Kitty. So cute. And then here we have a notepad with a bunch of cacti on it, and again, kitties on it. My name, I think, is on every item. And then is this another card? Let's see. Cards. It says, you grow, girl. And the inside says, I know you could do it, Kitty. And the next one says, Hallelujah, it's party time. It took me a second to get that. That's cute. Look at this cute green envelope. And on the inside it says, you are one of my most favorite people to celebrate. Happy, happy day to you, Kitty. These cards are so cute. Every month we get a calendar. So your first month of the grand subscription, you will get a little frame. That'll be personalized, and then each month you can add this in. And it lists all the, the calendar month and then all of the holidays on it. Super cute. And one feature too is that you get to get a phone background. So let me clear there. So I have this as my background. Every month I change it. You get an email right when the month begins. So that is a cute little perk with the subscription. And then we have this little notepad here. It says, Kitty, stick with it. What is this? Oh, cool. So it's like a weekly little planner. I like this. I like this size of it too. We have a pin here. It says, to the cutest clover in the patch, lucky clover pin. Yeah. Super cute. Totally gonna give that to a family member. Again, we are very Irish. And there's this little wood thing, and there's a little slit in it so you can hold something up. Maybe I can hold the calendar in it. Yeah. So here's an example of what you could do. And we have several items in this bag. Let's get them out. So my paper box, notepad, and pen set. And on the pen it says, can't touch this. And look how cute these notepads are. I'm loving the coloring of everything this month. And then last but not least, we have a little bag here full of stickers. So you can do whatever you like with these. You can put them in your planner, in the cards. I like to seal envelopes with stickers so I don't have to lick them, and it's cuter. So that is super nice. So you can see they go with the theme. They're like plant-based and everything like that. So that is everything in my paper box for March. Again, I'm gonna leave the link down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I think it's so cute. I love notepads and stuff like that to stay organized, and this subscription definitely is so cute and such a joy to open every month and helps me keep my life on track as well. So yeah, thanks again. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.